Welcome to the Bourns AMS22B non-contacting analog rotary position sensor training module. The objective of this training module is to familiarize you with the product and provide detail on some of the innovative features that make this product well suited for your application. We will review construction and assembly, followed by a brief overview of the specifications. We will then highlight some of the benefits and features of the model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor, and we'll cover typical application examples. This presentation will conclude with reference materials and a final overview of the product. The Bourns model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor is the latest product in a new line of Bourns electromechanical sensing products based on non-contacting magnetic sensor technology. The core of this rotary position sensor is a programmable quad Hall effect integrated circuit that provides a signal which is converted into a voltage output. The model AMS22B position sensor is programmed at the factory to meet any rotational angle between 10 and 360 degrees. It is especially well suited for harsh environments and long-life applications. Discovered by Edwin Hall in 1879, Hall effect refers to the potential difference on opposite sides of a bar-shaped conducting or semiconducting material, Hall element. This potential difference, voltage, is produced by a magnetic field applied perpendicular to the Hall element through which an electric current flows. Rotation of the magnet in close proximity to the ASSP, application-specific standard product, produces the desired output signal that is pre-programmed into the ASSP. The construction of the model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor is shown in this cutaway view. A couple of areas to highlight are the sintered bronze bushing, the stainless steel shaft design, and the conformal coated sensor PCB assembly. Our rotational cycle testing has shown that the materials selected for the bushing shaft design perform extremely well under side load. In addition, the sensor PCB assembly is conformal coated for optimum performance under exposure to harsh environments. There are a few important specifications to highlight. The output signal is analog and is ratiometric to the angular position of the shaft based on a 5-volt DC input. Please note that the voltage output of the model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor is programmable. So, for applications requiring a smaller angle of travel, the output can be appropriately programmed at the factory. The operating temperature for this device is -40 degrees Celsius to +125 degrees Celsius. Independent linearity of plus or minus 0.5% is standard, with plus or minus 0.3% available on request. Finally, rotational life is rated at up to 50 million shaft revolutions. The Bourns model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor features a non-contacting magnetic technology utilizing a rotating magnet and a programmable quad Hall effect IC. Because it is non-contacting, the sensor is highly compatible with harsh environments such as vibration, shock, and fluid and/or dust ingress typically encountered in industrial applications. The position sensor is programmable for various angles of rotation with highly repeatable performance. This product is RoHS compliant. Some of the benefits of the new model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor are listed here. Due to the form factor and voltage output, this unit can be used as a direct replacement for older contacting technologies. As previously mentioned, the position sensor has a very stable performance over an extended rotational life. It also has minimal sensitivity to harsh environments and performs well even with a side load condition within rated limits. This slide illustrates a comparison of the Bourns model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor to contacting technologies. The model AMS22B position sensor with sintered bronze bushing clearly provides extreme long life over traditional contacting single-turn potentiometers. This is very important in applications where the cost of replacing the sensor is high, as well as in applications where the sensor is in a remote location with limited access for repair or replacement. This non-contacting device provides a long life and reliable solution, reducing the cost of repair and maintenance. Due to the nature of the core non-contacting technology, linearity remains consistent over the life of the product, outperforming contacting technologies as illustrated in this slide. The stability of the model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor over its life reduces the need to recalibrate the system, compared to contacting position sensors that experience output drift over time. This can result in a lower system maintenance cost. Rotational life testing was conducted with a side load applied perpendicular to the shaft axis. The model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor performed exceptionally well with 250 grams of side load, achieving 50 million shaft revolutions with little or no degradation in output performance. The derating curve shown in this slide was established to account for system tolerances where the radial play of the system may affect mechanical backlash or gear meshing. The ability to withstand side loads of this magnitude allows for minor misalignment of mechanical interfaces to the shaft, or utilization of rack and pinion designs where a minor side load is induced on the shaft. The Bourns model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor is highly versatile and can be used in a multitude of applications. The applications range from industrial to medical to commercial. Anywhere that there is a need to monitor position of a system, a need for long life and high repeatability in a harsh environment, the Bourns model AMS22B is the optimum solution for position sensing needs. Please note that Bourns products are not designed or recommended for use in FDA Class III medical devices. We have provided links to resource material located on the Bourns website. If you have any questions regarding the product and you are unable to find the answer, please contact your local field application engineer or sales representative. The Bourns model AMS22B rotary non-contacting position sensor is especially well suited for harsh environments and long life applications. It is an extremely versatile product with high accuracy and high resolution. This position sensor is the first single-turn bushing mount position sensor in the new line of Bourns products based on non-contacting magnetic technology and is well suited for a multitude of applications. Customization is available to suit the individual application. For technical support, please contact the Bourns sales representative in your area.